Ever wondered what happens when a fintech company promises to be different, to be a breath of fresh air in the stuffy world of traditional banking? Well, that's the story of Vivid Money, and it's a tale filled with ambition, innovation, and a rapid rise to prominence. But to truly understand Vivid, we have to go back to its beginnings, to a time when two visionary entrepreneurs saw a gap in the market and a chance to change how we think about our finances. The year is 2019. The digital banking landscape is heating up, with players like Revolut and N26 carving out significant niches. But Alexander Emashev and Artem Yamanov, the co-founders of Vivid, believed there was still a piece of the puzzle missing. They envisioned a financial platform that wasn't just a digital bank but a comprehensive financial super app. It would be a one-stop shop for banking, saving, investing, and more, all wrapped in a user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing interface. Their journey began in Berlin, a city known for its vibrant tech scene and a magnet for entrepreneurial talent. They secured initial funding and assembled a team of seasoned professionals from companies like Tinkoff Bank, a major player in the Russian digital banking space. This expertise was crucial, as it allowed them to build a robust and scalable platform from the ground up. The official launch came in mid-2020, a time when the world was in the grip of a pandemic. While many businesses struggled, Vivid's timing was, in a way, perfect. People were increasingly turning to digital solutions for their financial needs, and Vivid's contactless payments, easy-to-use app, and attractive cashback rewards were exactly what a lockdown world was looking for. What made Vivid stand out from the get-go was its unique approach to features. They didn't just offer a standard bank account. They introduced Pocket, a feature that allowed users to create multiple sub-accounts with their own IBANs, making it easy to budget and save for specific goals. They also launched a groundbreaking investment feature, allowing users to buy fractional shares in US and European companies with no commission fees. This democratized investing, making it accessible to a whole new generation of users who might have been intimidated by traditional trading platforms. Another key differentiator was their cashback program, called Vivid Prime. It offered a generous percentage of cashback on purchases from a wide range of retailers, a powerful incentive that quickly drew in new customers. And let's not forget the sleek, metal debit card, a status symbol that became a hallmark of the Vivid brand. It was a tangible representation of their premium and forward-thinking identity. The next few years were a whirlwind of growth. Vivid expanded its services across Europe, launching in countries like France, Spain, and Italy. They continued to innovate, introducing new features like a loyalty program for friends, cryptocurrency trading, and even a unique feature that allowed users to earn cashback from their favorite restaurants. They also focused heavily on building a community, engaging with their users on social media and taking their feedback seriously to constantly improve the app. Of course, the road wasn't without its challenges. The fintech space is fiercely competitive, and Vivid had to constantly evolve to stay ahead of the curve. They faced the same regulatory hurdles as any other financial institution and had to work hard to build trust with their users. But through it all, they maintained their core vision, to be a financial super app that empowers people to manage, save, and invest their money effortlessly. From a small startup in Berlin to a multinational financial platform, the history of Vivid Money is a testament to the power of a great idea and the relentless pursuit of innovation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.